The exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system in the 2012 Nissan Note plays an important role in reducing harmful emissions, particularly nitrogen oxides, NOx, which are produced during high-temperature combustion. The system works by redirecting a small portion of the engine's exhaust gases back into the intake manifold, where it mixes with the incoming air-fuel mixture. By introducing exhaust gases into the combustion chamber, the system effectively lowers the peak combustion temperature, which helps reduce the formation of NOx. The 2012 Nissan Note typically uses an electronically controlled EGR valve, which is operated by the Engine Control Unit (ECU). The ECU monitors various engine parameters such as temperature, engine load, and speed, and opens the EGR valve only under specific conditions, such as during steady cruising or light acceleration, when emissions reduction is most effective. The EGR valve remains closed during engine warm-up, idling, or under heavy acceleration to avoid negatively affecting performance. If the EGR valve becomes clogged with carbon deposits, which is common over time, it can restrict or block the flow of exhaust gases. This can lead to various engine problems, such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, decreased fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and the illumination of the check engine light. In some cases, a faulty EGR valve may also cause engine knocking or stalling. To prevent these issues, it's important to inspect and clean the EGR valve periodically, especially if the vehicle is driven mostly in city conditions where carbon buildup occurs more quickly. If the valve is electrically damaged or stuck open or closed, it may need to be replaced. Overall, the EGR system is a critical emissions control component that helps the Nissan Note meet environmental regulations while maintaining efficient engine performance.